Hello, in this video I'm going to explain casting. So what casting does is it takes a variable and it turns it into another kind of variable. So the way that we can do this is let's just start off with an integer. So I want to cast this integer, let's just call it I, let's just make it 50, and I want to cast it to a double. So I would make a double here, double D equals, and the way that we actually cast is we do parentheses here, and we type the name of the variable that we want to cast it to, and then we type our thing that we want to cast. So this will actually make our 50 into a 50.0 because doubles have decimal places. So if I print this out, and then I print out D here, should get 50, and then we get 50.0. Boom, like that. Now let's say I wanted to cast a double into an integer. Okay, so let's have a double D2, and let's set it to 23.7, like that. And then let's have an integer, integer I2 equals int, then D2. So we're just casting it into a double here, and you may think that this will actually like round up to 24, but integers, whenever you're casting a double into one, it actually just disregards this decimal place here. It only takes this. So if I print these out, we should see 23.7 right here, and then we should see just 23 instead of 24 here. So let's just print these out like so. So I2, and then this one is D2. So if I print these out, here's 23.7, and then we have 23. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to convert a string to a character. So the way that we do this is we can't actually directly cast a string to a character and vice versa. They're actually not compatible. So the way what we do here is we use the char_at method of the string class. So let's make a string, let's call it S, and then we're just going to do the letter, let's do the letter T. So now we have our letter T, and we want to cast it to a char. So we do char C equals, and then we do S, so this is our string right here, and then we do char at, and this gets the character at a certain index that we put we pass into it. So the index of T here is 0. If we had more than just T here, it'd be T, or it'd be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. But let's just have T, and let's get the character at 0. Now, if I print both of these should actually both print T. So system.out.println, and then S, and then let's just print T, like so. So there we go, and I'm just going to make this a little bit cleaner. Or sorry, let's print C, yeah, like that. So these should both print T. There we go. And if we wanted to, say, cast a integer into a character, what we would do is we'd actually cast it to a string first. So the way that we do that is these strings and integers aren't actually compatible. So what we can do is we can have a new integer here. So int I3 equals, and let's just do 7. And then we have our string S2, and then we'll set it equal to I3 dot value of, or it is string dot value of, and then we do our integer here. So this will actually make a string with the with 7. If I had a whole bunch of numbers here, it would be a string of this. So, but let's just have 7. So if I print this out, I should get 7 and 7. So this one is S2, and this one is I3. Let's just print these out here. 2 7s. Now, what we do is we did what we did before on how to cast a string to a char. So we could have char C2 equals S2 dot char at, and then there are our index here. So this should be 7, and if I print this out, like that, I should get 3 7s. Boom. And if we wanted this to be even more compact, we wouldn't actually have to make all these. We could just do, like if I just wanted to do this in like 1 to 2 lines, I could do equals string dot value of, and then our integer here. So this will give us this gives us a string right here, and then this right here gives us a character at this string that we create right here. So this will actually give us 7 as well, I believe. Yep, there we go. So yeah, it's just a little bit about casting. I hope this helped you, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.